What benefit did you get from the strategic tax planning for you and your business?
Tom, in order to put a plan into place, there must be goals put together. And a lot of times we get caught up in the rush of doing business that seems to slide. You know, it's more than just today. Where's this company going to be in the next generation and the generation after that? We build for long term. We don't build just for today. We're not a hit and run type of organization. When the consultants came in, they helped us to identify early on some structures within our own organization that we created different divisions within our company, different locations within our company that all have a benefit. But with that increase also comes tax liabilities. And we want to stay within the bounds of legality with the IRS. That's the one thing. I'm not looking over my shoulder. If somebody pays us cash, we pay tax on it. I'm not going to bed at night worrying. I'm that kind of guy, okay? They helped us put together a plan that kept us within the IRS restraints. We had to work with our accountants some because, as you well know, they work on where you're at today in your historical side. But the tax codes change, which they keep up with, but how far are they willing to risk? Do they really understand the risk? Do they really, they're nervous to take you out there, okay, where you may want to wander. So what the plan did for us, it let us look at what's real and what's not, what's acceptable, what's not. As you well know, the IRS is gray. They could be anywhere. But my goal in life is not to give money to the IRS. My goal in life is to donate money to charities and to give to other organizations of need and to set some money back for our retirement. And they helped us put together a plan. Plus, we went into 3 different company structures, 3 different corporations that helped us structure that. And they're there for me to call anytime I want. They're there to help, to assist, to give us the guidelines, where the boundaries are. I actually called them up one time and said, I'd like to do this. And they said, don't go there. You don't want to go out there. You're stretching it too far. And I said, fine. I don't want to. I just heard somebody else talking about this. And they said, that's a bad way to go. So they keep us in bounds. Now, at other times they'll say, you know, you really can do this. This is an acceptable tax write-off. And who would have ever thought that some of these were acceptable, except for the politicians that put them into place. So they're very valuable like that, and they helped us structure for today and tomorrow. We still have to structure for the future a little bit more. Yeah, we're going to have them back to do that. But we have a plan in place that'll put us into retirement, and we're giving a lot of money away at the end of the year. I just need enough to live on, and I need enough for my retirement. We did 1/3 for our retirement, 1/3 to our employees, and 1/3 to all the charitable areas last year. We divided the profits up into thirds, and that's how we did it. And the employees were shocked at what their bonuses were.